We have a new model on the block called Falcon-3. As you can see in my screen, this is something that has been released recently, and this has been a model from the region TII, Technology Innovation Institute, and they are one of the best models in their size. If you can see the chart here, in 10 billion parameters, 7 billion parameters, in all the benchmarks across the Hugging Face LLM benchmarks that have been there, wherein the LLMs are evaluated. It has scored, and it has been performed better than the models by Alibaba and Google and Mistral and Llama. As you can see here, with small 10B and 7B, it is able to work very well, and especially the instruct model, which has been specifically designed for the chat information and to interact with us in a much better way. You can easily go and try it as well, this particular model. If you go to this website, you have a lot of options to play around with it, and I will, if you want to test it out, you can test it out. You can even download it, and you get this particular thing. We are able to test Falcon 3 7B instruct, which is the new model, and then you can ask about it. Who are you and what is your knowledge cutoff? This is going to give you answers very fast, and this is something because of the size and because of the, you can see the speed at which they get the answer, and you will see all the details that is here as well, and you can play around with this. If you want to download it, you can download it on Hugging Face as well. All the information is here, and this model is one of these initiatives again by Falcon to focus on smaller models that can be downloaded and used for applications that people want to build. You can see the details here as well. This website will be shared in the link. Everything about this is here, and this is under license Falcon license 2.0, and it is available as an open source model for your work, where you can download it and start working for it for any of the use cases that are there. So try out this application and test it out. Some of the new things that they have used in this architecture that I was going, that they have optimized decoder only design, and this is something that is interesting, including flash attention to group every query attention. So it integrates group query attention. This is the transformer architecture to in a proper way to share parameters, minimizing memory for the key value cache during inference, which ensures faster and efficient operations. As well as they have used advanced tokenization. This is something that is we had heard about it in some research papers. There's a high vocabulary of 131k tokens, double that of Falcon 2, and this is something very interesting. And also it has enhanced long context training with 32k context size, which is one of the biggest ones for the smaller models that are there. So this is something that they have done. They have used 4 main languages for training, English, Spanish, Portuguese and French, to ensure a much higher earning capability and quality of those languages. And the tokens that they have given information about in this the Falcon 3 series represents a huge leap forward in the AI technology. 14 trillion tokens and more. Falcon 3 more than doubles the capacity of its predecessor Falcon 180B, ensuring a significant boost in performance. And this is something that is very good, and you can start using it. It is all talking about it is released under the TII Falcon license, promotes the responsible development and deployment of AI, and this is something very interesting. And the purpose of this is again AI for everyone and everywhere, which is something that is very close to what we are doing in decoding data science as well. So have a look at this model. All the details will be shared in the link in here, and best of luck with exploring this model for your work. Share your comments in the feedback. If not, like you have liked the channel, please do like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.